There's a version of me I haven't met yet. Stronger, softer, more patient, more whole. She's waiting for me on the other side of every healing decision I make today, every boundary I set, every emotion I face, every truth I choose instead of avoiding. Rebuilding isn't glamorous. It's messy. It's slow. It's very uncomfortable. But every small courage is a brick. Every act of self-love is a beam. I'm becoming her, the woman I'm supposed to be. And step by step, I'm walking towards her with steady, quiet strength.